What's the meaning of ampicillin? Ampicillin. 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 Ampicillin.
Ampicillin is a type of antibiotic that is used to treat bacterial infections. It belongs to the class of drugs known as penicillins, which work by preventing the bacteria from building their cell walls, thereby killing them. Ampicillin is primarily used to treat infections caused by gram-positive and some gram-negative bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. It is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and injections. As with any antibiotic, it is important to take the full course of treatment prescribed by a doctor to ensure that the infection is fully eradicated.